Thomas, what are you doing?
Making slime, maybe. Yes, Ersky.
Oh, wow, yeah.
Look at this. Woo!
Yeah, motherfucker. It's an art project with these two little bastards.
I hope you like your present, big boys.
They ruined the shit, dude. Oh. What are you doing in there?
Just playing with the toys.
This is what happens at the Wrestle House, dude. Oh! Oh! Holy shit! Holy shit! Holy shit! Oh! Oh! And I don't know what the fuck's going on right now, but listen. That's real music. That's live people, dude. It's like some fucking bar shit. Flames, bro. The random mystery door.
Excuse me. Yes. I'm looking for someone. I'm looking for my friend, and he was stolen. Have any of you seen him?
No.
What's up, man? Bun Jesus?
What's going on, player?
You might be in a
Mine's Hong Kong. You know what I mean? You guys like the Hong?
These are Hulkamania running wild. So,
This
You might
is
be in a basement.
where did he go?
Have you seen him? Anybody? Please rip the tag. If you find him, you need to tell me on the internet. Okay?
Kind of stands out.
Rip it off. Rip it off. Rip it hard. Yes, rip it. There you go. His favorite band is Smashing Pumpkins.
I'm looking.
Have you guys seen my friend?
No, I haven't.
Unbelievable. Nobody's seen him.
I'm getting real tired of you coming in here asking silly ass questions. Listen.
Hey! Stacey Stevens! Stacey Alexander! Space